Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at this palette from Flower Beauty called the Wanderlust eyeshadow palette. It's actually Drew Barrymore's company and I love her. So I kind of wanted to see how these eyeshadows are going to perform on my eye, especially after testing out the Norvina palette and everything. I'm kind of used to those really buttery eyeshadows. So let's see how this goes. This is how it looks. And then, oh, this is the inside. Really unique colors, I think, and there's two matte shades, so I feel like you can travel with this. It's tiny, and those matte shades will get you through any look, like a natural or more dramatic. There's like a blue, a lime green, like fun shades. I'm really excited to see how it performs. Let's do some swatches and then we'll get into putting it on the eye. Wow, it's so creamy. What? So I was reading the back of the palette and it says, take a road trip down south to catch the beauty of the Downtown Dusk palette. Earthy tones blend with unexpected brights to light up your look with warm rays of the setting sun. So, pretty cool vibe we got going. Okay guys, so these are the swatches. The top two are the mattes and the rest are very metallic. Really like the last one, the bottom one, for the inner corner and the brow. Really nice. Alrighty, so now we can actually start playing with these colors on the eye. So I'm gonna take a Morphe M139 and I'm gonna take the light orange shade right there as my transition. Sometimes I have trouble putting these colors on my eyes because they're like too light, but we'll see if it shows up. Seems like it's showing up actually. Let me zoom you guys. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the darker matte shade, this one right here. I'm just gonna put that in the crease again. Okay, so I just want to say, like, this is a palette that I got in Walmart, and they have it at Walmart and they also have it at Ulta now, but like, this is intensely pigmented and it was $10.99 or $9.99 or something like that. So for just $10 you have 6 shades that are super pigmented. I haven't used the metallic on the eye yet, but I could just tell from the way that I swatched it, it felt so nice. I'm sorry that my dog's crying so loudly and obnoxiously. She stopped. So far I really like it. I have to use the blue that's in here. I think I'm going to put it all over the lid. Let me just remind you what it looks like. This guy here, and I'm gonna take the Anastasia brush, this side, the flat side. I'm just gonna see what happens. Okay, so obviously it shows up, but I want to try it with my finger. See if it has more color payoff. I'm gonna take the fluffy brush again to just blend that out. I'm not taking any more eyeshadow on the brush, just trying to blend it out so there's no harsh edges. Shh. Now I think I'm gonna put some liner on and I'll be right back. Okay, so wings are done. Now some mascara to just pull this look together. I have to use a lime green, so I think I'm gonna put that in the inner corner. Yum! So before we do the super fun lime green inner corner thing, I want to do my lower lash line real quick. So I'm just gonna take the orange, the light orange, and put that on the bottom. And now we're gonna take the darker orange and do the same thing, smoke it out. Now I'm gonna take this angled brush from BH Cosmetics, just a tiny little angled brush, and I'm gonna take the copper shade, this guy, and put him kind of close to where my inner corner is, just like right under. Right underneath. Let me zoom you in. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so now we're gonna do the inner corner, y'all. Let's see how it looks. I really like the idea of like a colorful inner corner. Oh, oh shit. Can you guys see that? And for my brow bone highlight, I'm gonna take this champagne color, this one, put that on my brow bone. Lastly, I'm gonna highlight with that same shade. Hopefully it's not too light. Wow, that's beautiful. Just trying to film a video. This is a lip gloss that I got in a BoxyCharm. A BoxyCharm! I think it says a Des New York high definition liquid lipstick, but it's a lip gloss. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look right here. This eyeshadow shade I actually used to highlight, and I freaking love it. It's so like reflective and nice, not chunky on the face at all. I'm sorry, it's really hard to film with these dinosaurs. Do you want to see what they look like? Sure. These are the ones that are making all the noise. No, where are you hiding? Come here. That's Lucy, and that's Liza. Anyway, thank you so much for suffering through this with me. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.